So this is the iPhone 16 Pro, not the Pro Max. And honestly, Apple did a phenomenal job with this, and I think you should buy it, not because of the color. Although I do admire this black titanium color. I think it just fits with really everything, and the aesthetic is super pleasing and super elegant. But there are a couple of reasons why I think you should buy this, and one is going to be that display. It's got thinner bezels, slimmer bezels, with a slightly larger display than its predecessor. So a 6.3-inch display versus 6.1. And I love just the size of this. It's easily a one-handed phone. I can use it with one hand, easily, no issues, especially coming from the 15 Pro Max to this. It's awesome. And also, it gives you a higher screen to body ratio because of those slimmer bezels. It also, again, still has that ProMotion 120 Hertz refresh rate display. Again, super phenomenal. And it gets super bright, 2000 nits of peak brightness. And I think that's plenty bright. But I've had no issues with the display. I've been using it for watching lots of YouTube videos, calling, texting, FaceTiming, using it for the camera, social media. Everything that I'm doing for the channel, for my business, is being done right here on the iPhone 16 Pro, and I couldn't be happier. It's just beautiful. But the reason why I downgraded from a Pro Max model to a Pro is I wanted to get the best of the best from Apple in a more compact form factor. And if you're a long-time subscriber, you know I love the mini lineup, whether it's iPad mini, whether it's iPhone 13 mini, 12 mini. I love the mini lineup. And I really wanted a phone that was kind of close to where you get a powerful device in a compact form factor. Apple doesn't make the mini lineup anymore, so this, for me at least, was like the next best thing, getting the best of the best in a compact form factor. This is like the most compact we're going to get, at least from Apple, other than the iPhone 16. I'm talking about the Pros. It's been awesome. It truly has been awesome, easily like a one-handed phone. And a lot of people that I showed this to have kind of said, hey, this actually feels better than the 15 Pro Max or like the 14 Pro Max. I may have to downgrade to a Pro model because it's just, you get the best of the best in a smaller compact form factor. And with that, you also get really good, very good cameras. Now here's the thing, last year with the 15 Pro and Pro Max, there was a difference. 5x optical zoom was only available on the 15 Pro Max, but this year that has been brought down to the 16 Pro, and there's virtually no camera differences either. The only main differences you're getting with the Pro Max is obviously larger size and the larger battery, which means a little bit better battery life. And I'm perfectly fine by not having a large display and not having a better battery life because this already gets superb battery. I'm going to talk about that in a moment. But the camera is awesome. A 48 megapixel main camera. You're getting a new 48 megapixel ultra wide, and I love the ultra wide camera. I use it for a lot of videos as well, so getting an upgrade to the ultra wide is phenomenal. Again, like I said, you get the telephoto with 5x optical zoom, and you get to record Dolby Vision up to 4K at 120 frames per second. So that's a huge upgrade. If you're in the video space or you want to use this for making content, whether that be for taking photos, videos, whatever it is, this is going to be that device. The iPhone 16 Pro is going to be that device. They made some really good camera upgrades. They even added the camera control button. Apple doesn't call it a button, the feature, whatever you want. I call it a button. And it kind of enhances your camera experience. So if you want to kind of zoom in, you can zoom in. You can switch from zoom. You can use it for depth. You can use it for exposure. You can switch to different styles or tone, whatever it may be. So that button is there, and it's going to enhance your camera experience. And then obviously there is the battery life. The battery life on this so far has been awesome. Now Apple promises up to 27 hours of video playback. I'll tell you this, I'm a heavy user, it's lasting me all day. I'm ending my day so far with about 45–50% battery life. It is that good. It's phenomenal. I can't complain about the battery life so far. And I hope over the next year, it doesn't degrade as quick as the iPhone 15 Pro Max did it. But we're going to have to wait and see. But so far, the battery life has been awesome. The wire charging is up to 45 watts. And now there's 25 watts of MagSafe charging. So if you have MagSafe chargers, it's going to charge at 25 watts. Obviously, you want to have the correct MagSafe chargers that are capable of that 25 watts, so just be on the lookout. Not every single wireless charger or MagSafe charger is capable. It has to kind of be compatible with that wattage, so just be on the lookout for that. But yeah, battery life has been awesome, and I want to just give a shout out to the A18 Pro, because A17 Pro was already phenomenal, but getting even a better chipset, A18 Pro, it's been awesome. And I know Apple Intelligence isn't out yet, so that's why I don't really want to talk about it. But I guess A18 Pro, Apple says they built the new iPhones from the ground up to support Apple Intelligence. But again, it's not out, so we're gonna have to wait and see. But A18 Pro is gonna be perfectly capable of kind of tackling everything that Apple Intelligence throws. And everything I've thrown at so far, I played some Call of Duty mobile. I used it obviously for a lot of cameras and or camera for photos and videos. I've used it for lots of YouTube videos, for FaceTime. No issues whatsoever, no overheating, so it's been good in that regards. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I absolutely love the iPhone 16 Pro. This is going to be my main iPhone that I will be using over the next year. If you do want to check out my latest wallpaper pack, it's called Illusions 2.0. Links will be in the description down below. There's a bunch of different colors that will match your latest iPhone as well. And also, if you want to check out these awesome cases from Benks, they make some really cool styles, and I've been using it on my 15 Pro Max, and now that I have the 16, I'm going to continue to use them because they're beautiful. They're elegant, sleek, MagSafe compatible, and the magnets are super strong too. But I hope you guys did enjoy. I think I said that already. If you did, definitely be sure to smash the like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel out a lot and will help push my content out to more people. That's been it for me. Say goodbye to the iPhone 16 Pro because it'll be back for another video.